Project resource management. You start with planning resource management. Define how to estimate, acquire, manage, and utilize physical and team resources, followed by estimate activity resources, estimate team resources type, material and equipment, quantities and supplies necessary to perform project work. Then you acquire actual resources. Obtain team members, facilities, equipment, materials, supplies, resources necessary to complete the project work. You need to develop your team. Improve team members' interaction, competencies, and environment to enhance project performance. You have to manage your team. Track team members' performance, provide constant feedback, resolve potential issues, manage changes to optimize project performance. And during project execution, you have to control your resources. Resources are assigned, allocated, available as planned. Monitor the planned versus actual use of resources, and if necessary, perform corrective action. Let's take a look at all of this in some detail. Plan resource management. Oh, it is quite obvious. You bring project charter and general management plan. You apply organizational theory as instruments or tools and techniques. However, I recommend you to stay practical during your planning, resource planning, and project execution. Output results, resource management plan, and important team charter. You develop your team charter. Estimate activity resources. As instruments, you apply bottom-up estimating. Analogous estimating means how many resources or what kind of resources we utilize in the past for the similar project, and parametric estimating. I'd quite advise you to use expert judgment on this one. Output results, resource requirements, basis of your estimate, and resource breakdowns structure, hierarchical one. Acquire resources. You need as instruments pre-assignments. You pre-assign some person and use virtual teams. Output results, physical resource assignment, project team members assignment, and resource calendars. Develop your team. You use as instrument co-location if you collect team members in one physical location, or virtual teams. You need to apply personal recognition and reward system. You need to train your team for some project if they don't have enough some kind of particular skills. And individual and team assessment. You need to assess your each person individually, your team member individually. Output results, team performance assessments. Manage your team. You use as input work performance report and team performance assessment. Instruments, project management information system, and output results, potential and possible change requests. And you need to control your resources during project execution. As inputs, you might use work performance data. As instruments, you might use data analysis and possibly problem solvings. Problems will be incoming. Eventually, this is absolutely normal. As an output results, you produce work performance information with potential some change requests and project documentation updates.